The solar system, home to our sun, planets, and countless celestial bodies, didn't always look the way it does today. So, how did it form? Let's take a journey back 4.6 billion years to uncover the origins of our cosmic neighborhood. It all started with a molecular cloud, a massive region of gas and dust. A disturbance, possibly a nearby supernova, caused this cloud to collapse under its own gravity. As the cloud collapsed, it began to spin, flattening into a disk called the protoplanetary disk. Most of the material was pulled toward the center, where intense pressure and heat eventually ignited nuclear fusion, giving birth to our sun. Meanwhile, in the outer parts of the disk, dust and rock particles started colliding and sticking together. Over millions of years, these clumps grew larger, forming planetesimals, the building blocks of planets. Gravity pulled these planetesimals together, creating protoplanets. The largest ones cleared their orbits of debris and became the planets we know today. Inner planets like Earth and Mars formed from rocky materials, while gas giants like Jupiter and Saturn formed farther out, where it was cold enough for gas and ice to accumulate. Not everything became a planet. Some leftover material formed smaller objects, like asteroids in the asteroid belt and icy bodies in the Kuiper belt. Even comets are remnants of this chaotic time. Collisions between these early celestial bodies didn't just shape planets. They may have delivered water and other essential ingredients for life to Earth. The solar system is a masterpiece born from chaos. From a simple cloud of gas and dust to the dynamic system we see today, its formation is a reminder of the incredible forces that shape our universe. What mysteries of the solar system intrigue you the most? Let us know in the comments.